Welcome on the Bold Topics, and I am Anand Main. Today we will talk about Shiva Lok Sabha constituency in this series. Kaun marega baji of Bihar Lok Sabha election. The fight here is interesting in many ways, and here it is a fight for the credibility of the party as well as the candidates. Two women candidates are facing each other in Shiva Lok Sabha constituency. The husband of one has been accused in the case of death of an IS, while the husband of the other has been an IS officer. One-fourth of the votes in Shiva Lok Sabha seat were from West votes. Keeping this in view, RJD has given ticket to Ritu Jaiswal, who comes from West community, while on the other hand, the traditional voter of BJP is considered to be West community in such a situation. There is a talk of West votes going to two candidates Anand Mohan. Now it will be interesting to see who wins here because the fight is fierce. The competition is quite interesting. First of all, if we talk about Ritu Jaiswal, she has a stronghold in the RJD party. Apart from this, she has a strong reputation in our village. Ritu Jaiswal became the head of Sihwasni Gram Panchayat of Sitamarhi in the year 2016. Ritu Jaiswal was honored with the Champion of Change Award by the then Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu. He also contested the assembly election from Parihar seat of Sitamarhi in 2020 but lost. Ritu has been the state president of RJD's Women's Cell and state spokesperson of RJD. Her husband has been an IS officer. Let us talk about Lovely Anand, who is well known in Bihar politics as the wife of Anand Mohan, but her political background is quite strong. Lovely Anand became quite popular after winning the by-election. Lovely Anand's grandmother Rameshwar Prasad Sinha was an independent. Grandfather Rameshwar Prasad Sinha was an independent activist. Lovely Anand's grandfather Rameshwar Prasad Sinha was an independence activist. In 1994, she was successful in defeating former Chief Minister's wife and strong MP Kishore Sinha from Vaishali Lok Sabha seat on the ticket of her husband's party, Bihar People's Party. She did not contest the 1996 Lok Sabha election, and in 1999 she once again failed to win. Kishore Sinha was actually his own relative. Former Bihar CM's wife Kishore Sinha was the mother-in-law of Shyama Singh, daughter of Madhuri Singh, Lovely Anand's mother's cousin. Madhuri Singh also got her political start from the party formed by her husband. Thinking about Anand Mohan, he himself has been MLA twice. He has also been an MP twice since 1996 and 1998. Anand Mohan is accused of killing an IS officer and came out last year. Lovely Anand has been to many parties. Samajwadi Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Congress, Samata Party and Jitan Ram Manjhi's party, Hindustan Awam Morcha, have been in the party and are now contesting in Shiva on Jadyu ticket. Here there is a mixed situation regarding Rama Devi not being given ticket. At some places there is resentment, and at other places there is no resentment. Let us tell you that Rama Devi comes from Vaishali community and has been winning on BJP ticket. This time their cards have been very clean. She has been a 3-time MP here. What is your opinion? Give comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel.